Quick view here. It is Tuesday morning, March 22nd, 2022. Yesterday this will be the smallest mosaic tile section I'll have ever done, or I've done to date. So I put all these tiles on the wood base here. And you can see over here as well. So now I'm going to have to, I need to get like painter's tape. I've got to tape like this and that. This piece of wood here, back, that whole area there, as well as this beach rock stone here. And as well as the left side, right side, and the front bottom of this like house-like building toy. And I'll probably tape the front of the wood here as well, and as well as here. And then I'm going to grout it, and then grout clean it, and then I may put something in front here, like some kind of piece of frame molding. All right, so it's getting closer to completion here. All right, there you have it. Stay safe, everybody. It's Shugana, that's Yiddish for crazy world. So the New York Times today, an article, front page, that how Putin is evidently considering using small nuclear weapons. Brings to mind the closing words in the classic World War II movie, post-war made, but a movie about World War II, the bridge on the River Kwai, and the English medical officer, who was a POW, exclaims, I think twice, madness. That's what it is, madness.